Yo, what's going on, guys? What's going on? What's going on? Give me 1 second. We here. Chat, what the fuck is this market? I was expecting higher, and then we just decided to dump like off open with no retracement at all. No 5 minute pullback, no 5 minute fair value gap, and we just took a dump. Bro, I took NDX calls right around here. For like I only put like $5,000 into it, but still, holy shit. Um I was posting yesterday that we might have a daily inversion for value gap. Like today, we'll create the daily gap and things like that. But I didn't expect this. We left the new day opening gap behind. This is gonna cook the bias for even next week, right? We had this gap open here, which is what I was kind of targeting today. I would have wished we would have went into it and then dumped, but we have that, and then we have whatever the fuck's happening right here. We're just straight dumping off this. So really, really poor trading week for me. I've been off guard, offsides the whole entire week. Um, and we're just dumping. I don't know what else to tell you. It's been pretty rough. Yeah, this has been pretty rough trading conditions in my eyes. How are we dumping with dude? And we have no pullback, bro. That's the issue. There's no pullbacks happening. That's the biggest thing I was complaining about today so far. This is no pullback. Like you can't. This is not tradable, right? Like I guess ES had this one 5 minute gap tap, but it's just not. This is just not high probability, bro. Yeah, I'm definitely red on the week. I'm probably down like 35, 40K on the week. But this is where the risk managers win, right? And protecting accounts basically. This is like I said, this is nonstop. Like if you're not in the market at this point already short, bro, this is really bad. It gets really, really difficult to navigate this. Already down almost 2%. And you know what the most frustrating part has been? I was bearish all week, right? And then I switched into a bullish bias, and then here we are. Very frustrating, bro. I'm not gonna lie. These are the weeks that make me want to do absolutely nothing with trading, bro. I was bearish and I switched yesterday. Dude, I was bearish and then we just died today, bro. Even if I was still overall like looking for downside. But dude, this why did we not tap this gap? I guess ES did, but I don't SMT has been so iffy lately that I just thought the NQ would also kind of go down. Dude, this is really bad. Like it's just gonna keep going and going and going. Watch it be like a 3% day with no pullback. We are down a lot of points here. Instagram. But this is probably my last trading day of the week. Chat, the biggest thing for you and everyone else and myself and all the other traders is not FOMO. That's the biggest thing. Just let it happen. It is what it is. We can't control these type of moves, and he's got to be content with it. It was just absolutely cliff today. I don't. I mean, I want a downside still, but this is the way it happened. I didn't expect it. That's just the thing. The way it happened, it was not something that uh yeah, it's just not, because now look at the daily chart. We're right back down. Like, are we gonna go higher or lower? And the issue is the way we moved down, we left behind that new day opening gap. It just makes it so difficult. If we're gonna continue there or not. Good morning, good morning. Okay, this is pretty nonstop here. What is this? It's 260 points right here. I entered NDX like right here ish, like around 200s, and complete wrong way. I was expecting that 4 hour to kind of hold and take us to that new day opening gap, and then we'll see what we can get from there. But was wrong. If you guys are trading this, it is super volatile. Just, you don't have to size up or put real size on. You're good by itself. The way the market's moving, the points are gonna come from the points are there. So just make sure you are sizing appropriately. All right, now let's see where we are actually at. We're at that 15-minute gap from yesterday. Like, this is why we're kind of getting that wick. I don't know if we're gonna hold this area. For me to even entertain any upside, we'll probably need a flip of like these 5-minute, 15-minute gaps that are about to form. It's like I said, it's hard to play continuation here too. This is more of like a just sit there and wait type of price action for now. Go Lou. Dude, it's not able to retest anything, bro. This is 2026 trading, bro. All right. We're gonna coil back into these 5-minute gaps. So we just formed a 5-minute gap here. Like I said, this is not high probability for me to take, but I'll see the reactions from at least. Chat, I'm thinking about trading alpha. What do you guys think about alpha? I was thinking of alpha. What was I gonna say? Oh, I was thinking about alpha. Advanced plan. I think that one's pretty solid. I might give that a go. All right, let's see if you go to the 80s here. Is that a good idea, chat? Yeah, Lanto caught a banger. I'm not gonna lie. Lanto caught a monster trade. Lanto caught a monster trade. All right, we still got the 5-minute gap there. Let's see if we get it. I think I'm gonna cop 3 alpha. All right, so chat, I'm back because I haven't been trading props that much, right? So I'm gonna start stacking back up on different accounts. I think I'm gonna grab a alpha 150k advanced plan. I got some Tradify selects, and then yeah, those are it for now. All right, ES and NQ still have not touched that 5-minute gap. I do expect this 5-minute gap to get tapped into. Like, we haven't pulled back all day. This would be like the least it can do to kind of pull back. We'll probably sweep a couple more lows and then we'll go for it. All right, succeed. I'm buying this alpha accounts right now. I'm interested in the payout cap. Like, the payout cap's really high. 45k, not 50k. Almost 50k. Pretty good. All right, like I said, I still think we're gonna go for that gap here on NQ and ES. 5-minute gap. The high here is around 980s. I think we could tap into that. Went short from 25. Got stopped out there. Dude, it's just you have to stay back, bro. Like you have to stay out. Don't FOMO. It's very, very easy to get FOMO in this price action and this type of price action. Chat, make sure you drop a like on the stream itself. It goes a long way. We're just in giveaways as the likes go up. Really, really tragic price action this morning, to say the least. We'll see if I can catch any future day trades. This is probably a good condition to like trade a lot of evals because we're moving a lot of points. So if you have some evals where you can just kind of throw around, it's actually not bad. I would recommend doing it here. We're gonna do it. Waiting for that 5-minute gap to tap. That's kind of my main look right now. If we tap that 5-minute. Ideally, we could float into like 980s and then possibly look for a trade there. It'll be interesting where they close this daily candle at, right? Like, are they gonna close it above this ICT? I don't, doesn't look like it right now, but we'll see. Chopping here. This is where, like, if you're looking for short, this is not where you want to enter. You got to wait for a pullback, and if you don't get a pullback, you simply wait. That's at least for me on how I perceive this. Took any trades? I took a NDX long earlier, bro. That shit is dead. That shit is gone. Now I'm just kind of waiting for a pullback to see before I take anything else. I want to make sure I get a high probability trade if I do take one. So far, it's just been straight death, no pullback. So that 5-minute gap is now over 100 points away. Look at this. I was looking for that 5-minute gap. Nothing. Have a nice time out, dude. I'm with you, bro. This is, we always, yeah, this is like another day. It is what it is, bro. This is unfortunate for sure, but nothing we can do about it. Literally nothing we can do about it. Imagine if they miss earnings, who knows? I mean, seriously, bro. Like, I feel like some of these numbers be a little cap, but I look, I here's my thing, guys. I literally posted in the Discord yesterday. I'll show you guys. I was like inversion, daily gap, all that good stuff. Let me pull it up. This is what, so you guys can get a visual like what I was looking for. Let's see, look, this was my kind of plan, right? I was like daily gap creation today, IFBG to 24.1, and then that'll be it, right? So I thought today was gonna be a doji or a little bit higher, and then especially when I saw that new day opening gap, I was like, bro, we're for sure gonna go a little higher, and we in fact did not go higher. But that was kind of my game plan, what I thought was ideal. 9:30 can I even make it a wick? And that's what I'm saying, bro. When you have these type of days where it's like, okay, we had SMT with the ES, but it's still a new day opening gap open on NQ. It makes it very hard. Like now, are we just gonna target like these lows down here because we have this still, right? We have the low resistance liquidity built up. Like, are we gonna bounce this, or are we gonna kind of knife this? We'll see here soon. We're already down 2.1%. Me, as a betting man, I would say we're probably gonna get a little bit of a bounce from this area. Let's see. I appreciate you guys for being on though. Running all the way back up will be hilarious. Bro, they're running all back up, bro. I'll see you guys in the summer. Look, these are the type of conditions where the market looks good, the kind of everything looks good, but you still take losses, and that's what you have to account for in your trading and understand that that's part of trading itself, right? Like, you're not gonna be perfect all the time. There's gonna be times where you take these losses back to back to back to back, and having a proper risk management system is gonna obviously help you stay alive in this action. I think the past eval, this price action isn't too bad. All right, we're about to get, so we have a 5-minute gap here on ES and NQ, closing it on it. Closing it on it. It's a good 5-minute closure. Definitely, we'll definitely tap that gap here. Pretty confident. You say timing's not our friend. The life is moving way too fast, but when you're lying next to me, I forget the future, fear the past. Every night feels borrowed time, like we're stealing something true. If loving you is a mistake, why does it feel so right with you? We were almost stars, almost true. What are those contracts at right now, Lou? I don't hate it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I don't hate it at all. I like it a lot. All right, 5-minute gap spot. All right, so this is like, we have a 5-minute gap there. We have a 1-minute gap here. We could do something like this. Look, at this point, for me, I would like to see this continue higher, go back into range, all that good stuff. But I'm just saying that's a possibility that is it could be here. I would say we're already at 2%. This probably starts pulling back just a tad bit here. All these candles don't have any 15-minute highs. I would like to see a pullback, at least into like 25 100s, 25 100. Like, yeah, that'd be a good pullback. We need another matcha review today, bro. I low-key been off the matcha, bro. I've been a black coffee connoisseur lately, trying to cut out the sugar. I say that as I ate a fried banana with condensed milk last night. It's cooked. All right, yeah, I'm gonna make a poll. Black coffee's not it, bro, but I've been trying, dude. All right, I'm gonna make a poll real quick. I need you guys's feedback here. All right, the question is gonna be, what is the best trade copier? And then I'm gonna need you guys to answer this, because I want to use a trade copier between my accounts. You guys know I'm a hater of trade copiers, because I feel like they'll get they mess up the shit. But right now I'm leaning towards Tradecopia. I think they're probably gonna be the best for me. Copy don't work, bro. That shit makes me shit so fast though. That's one thing it does, bro. All right, currently in that 5-minute gap. Stay patient, chat. Take your shots wisely. I'm about to create 15-minute gap. Yeah. Yep. I think if you're long from the bottom, you should be chilling, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like we're at 2.1% down there. Gonna wait and see what happens in this gap. Ideally, I would like to see this continue pushing higher and just going back into like a range up here. This candle has no wick on the bottom though, which kind of makes it iffy. I'll show you what I believe is the highest probability. 1 second, chat. Bro, we're cooking on the IG content. We got a bunch of more education stuff. Background music tough. It's fire, bro. It's fire. It's like, it's just chill and best of deep house, chill mixed and deep feelings. But everyone always asking for the playlist. Start linking every day. All right, 5-minute gap currently disrespecting. It's 15-minute put in a wick on lower, which is good. All right, chat, say here, are we gonna close above 25K, yes or no? What do you guys think? Above 25K, yes or no? I can link.
Still holding on to you. Every breath you take, I know, feels like something true. But time keeps slipping through our hands, like waves that fall upon the sand. If you go, I'll lose the light. So tell me you'll stay tonight.
Taking a trade to if not. I took an NDX long, got cooked on it, bro. Not gonna lie. I thought the 4-hour gap would hold. For now, I'm just waiting. If we can get back into like 25-100s, I'll probably look for more longs. I can't read it either, bro. I was super offsides this week. Don't worry about it. Yeah, this is tough at 25K. So we're moving a lot though. It's a lot of points, chat. If you guys are trading, make sure to keep that size down. That size down. The thing is, like in your guys' eyes, if we come back, oh, let's see what the chat said. I'm gonna end the poll here. Trade Copia was the winner. I'll probably use Trade Copia. So with that 1-minute gap, this is also a 5-minute gap. This is going to be, I think it'll serve for bias the rest of the session, the AM session. Look at SPX and QQQ chart. Bet. I see. Loki, Lou, I think this is. I don't know. Like QQ, I mean, you have SMT down here, but the gap finally got filled, which is good. I feel like we can. I feel like we can run back up, bro. Let's go, bro. I'm good. Super slow now. I mean, I feel like the best move of the day definitely already happened. But I would like to see. I also like to see these lows like kind of hold here. Air my mouth. Yeah, we did. That's what I'm saying. We need to get above 25,100. Right, Gauss, if we're gonna look for upside.
Trying to wash away the pain. Every tear, every flame whispers softly your name. I will rise above the night, through the fire, through the sky. Every shadow left behind.
I just don't feel comfortable anytime taking a new position when we're already up or down 2%. Like if we were just like if it was like our trade up here, obviously I'm willing to hold it past that, but taking it is like a little different.
Even when I lose my way, I will find a day.
Very sus price action check.
Every heartbeat, every sound echoes where we both were found. Now I stand, now I breathe, stronger than I used to be. I will rise above the night, through the fire, through the sky.
We only do giveaways when they hit 100 likes.
Every shadow
We started a little late today, so the viewership is obviously lower. Everyone else is already live, but you guys still push 100 likes, we'll do it.
rise above the night. Let the stars be my guide. Even when I lose my way, I will find a day. I will rise above the night, through the fire,
Super slow in this 5-minute gap. Just kind of dictating where he wants to go here.
fade away with time. I will rise above the night. Let the stars be my guide. Even when I lose my way, I will find a day. I told myself with time, you disappear from my mind. Days kept moving on, but the
This is what separates traders here, chat, of how you navigate this price action in terms of are you going to put on risk or not, and management.
like I hoped it would.
Yeah, this is super high resistance. Like I want to maybe this 5-minute gap, but for me, if we go down to like 870, this is like gonna go right through it. So ideally, like to see it stay higher if we're gonna continue up or not.
Your voice, your face, still living in the quiet space. checking my phone. Stopped asking where you are. But every empty moment still knows who you are. It just didn't fade like I hoped it would. I tried to walk away, did everything I could. It just didn't fade.
I'm gonna show.
Your face still living in the quiet space. Didn't fade.
A PDF with further or comment patient. Check out something real quick. All right, super slow here still. Just waiting. What was your last payout? I haven't been trading props in a while, but I had some TPT payouts this month. I had like, like 10K, 11K in payouts for TPT, but I've been trading my live account mostly since my Apex payout. If you guys are new here, we got a $900,000 payout in November. Late November, took December off. January started off hot, ended kind of meh. February has been super meh.
Memories fade, but your eyes remain like a fire I can't contain. Every breath feels incomplete until our hearts again meet. Is someone like you in my dreams?
He has to continue putting in highs, and Q is not. Let's see if that plays a role here.
Every night I hear your voice, like the wind you comfort me. Someone like you. Waiting for me in my dreams. Waiting for me.
Chat, we just gotta wait. This is so fucking slow.
Time moves slow when you're not near.
Yo, Manoli.
Still I feel you.
I would say it's too risky, yeah.
Every heartbeat
But it's just for my trading style, yeah.
in the silence, nothing to say. Is someone like you in my dreams? Calling me from across the sea. Every night I hear your voice, like the wind you comfort me. Someone like you. Waiting for me in my dreams. Someone like you. Someone like you. I've been walking through the night alone, chasing echoes of a love long gone. Every shadow whispers softly. Are you out there
So how's the weather, chat?
for me?
Thank you, allergic to new highs. What's the game plan for today? Pray, bro. This is bad price action. Like, this is the price action where I'll take it and I'll get cooked, bro.
Like a fire I can't contain.
Raining in the ATL.
Every breath
Yeah, this is bad, bro. I can't trade this. This is not my trading conditions.
until
Not part of the plan. And look, we're down 2%. At the lows, we're down like 1.8%. The lows were down 2.3 almost, right? I don't know how to trade this. I'll be completely honest with you. I don't know how to trade this.
time moves slow when you're not near. Still I feel you whisper here.
All right, finally took out a high right there. Switch to 3 minutes for better PA. Let's look at this chat. It's kind of the same idea. I'm just looking for the see what this 5 minute gap does. That's literally it, bro. That is literally it. Oh, gotta stretch. You know, a hard day of sitting on my chair. Some real blue collar shit. I'm standing still, but the world moves on. Every second feels half gone. I don't chase what I can hold. I just let All right, kind of getting some expansion out of this 5 minute gap to the upside, or into this 5 minute gap, I should say. We have 50. Dude, we have like this is where PM session will be 10 times better because it'll kind of paint a picture. We have fair value gap trapdoors everywhere here. We got 5 15-minute gaps. The whole thing is a 5 and 15-minute gap. So what does that mean? When we have multiple 5 and 15-minute gaps, we are likely going to create one large gap, like an hourly gap. This is our currently 11 a.m. Then we have 12, and then we have our new, and then we have our PM session, right? So those 2 hours are going to dictate. They're going to put in a new fair value gap. They're going to probably tap into the fair value gap, and we'll see a reaction out of the fair value gap. By the time you get to PM session in that next 4-hour candle, you'll have a good idea where the market's going to go. Yeah, 25K has been 180 days. Yep, good stuff. Tubed out, yeah, bro.
I'm fading forward into the sound. Let
Holy fucking chop. What's my bias right now, bro? I ideally want to see this kind of start driving a little bit higher. I'm just doing work on the side chat while we're chopping around. Might as well get something done.
We're breathing in the same delay, but never on the same beat. Your words fall just behind mine, like echoes in the street. I try to read the space between the things you never say. We're standing in the moment, but drifting anyway. Right place, wrong time. Still your shadow.
ATP. I never thought trading would be a big part. Okay, that's actually a good question. Have you ever thought trading would be a big part of changing your life, or you felt like you got good at it and it actually just flowed? Meanwhile, I for sure didn't think it would take me to this level in the start. I would say once I started hitting profitability, I was like, yo, this is something I can really do and make. Obviously the end goal of trading is making money, right? I was like, I feel like I can make a lot of money with this, but my definition was like, oh, I can make like 5 to 10K a month with this, right? Which at that time, my whole thing was, how can I avoid going to college and doing all that? If I got a college degree, got a job, let's say I was getting paid like 70, 80K a year, that's what I was like, okay, how can I do this with trading so I don't have to do that? Did I think it would have scaled to where it is now? In the beginning, no. But as I kept going and going, I was like, wait, it can be way more than what I thought it was. I did go to college. I dropped out. So once I started hitting the profitability, like that, me not going to college was like my #1 motivation. Then I did it about a year college. I didn't finish my last quarter. So it was 3 quarters. I only did 2 quarters and then I dropped out. This is my freshman year. Because I was making a good amount. I was like, look, I'm making consistent like 20, 30K a month, right? And I had some really monster months during that 2022 summer. So I was just like, bro, this is fuck it. Like, let me just go all in on this. Blood allergic college. Yeah. The thing is, like, I wouldn't recommend dropping out or anything, doing dumb shit like that if you're not profitable already, or like if you're not making a substantial amount of money. That's the biggest thing, bro. It's like, for me, it's just so hard to do that. Like, I just feel like the pressure of that would be insane. So like, people quit their job and stuff. Don't quit your job until you're profitable and have like at least 2 years worth of income saved. Don't drop out of school if you're not profitable and making enough money, especially if you have parents who like breathe down your neck about school, bro. You're gonna have to at least show some type of proof that, look, this is working out, right? And it'd be better mentally too. I think the busier you stay outside of life, the thing is, a lot of people are like, oh my god, I can't wait to stop doing this so I have more time to trade. Bro, you don't need that much time to trade. Like, the busier you are outside, and this is kind of still true to me today, bro. After the stream ends, if let's say I enter like an NDX position, bro, I'm not checking that. I'm not on the screen looking at every single candle. I rarely check it, bro. Right? The busier you stay outside of trading, I genuinely believe the more successful you'll be at it. So you're watching the stream for the work right now. Exactly, bro. I just feel like, and the thing is also like, do you actually, you have to ask yourself, do you actually enjoy trading, bro? Like, I'm kind of on the back burner of like my enjoying trading. Like, I'm not like, oh my god, dude, I can't fucking wait to trade today. It's not like that. It used to be like that, but not anymore, bro. I don't really like it too much. I'm very good at it. I like educating. I like coming on, like, talking with you guys. That stuff is fun. But being risk on every single day, or day trading, I should say, I'm kind of falling out of love with, because I don't like being risk on every single day, bro. Which is why, bro, I took all of December off. This is kind of what I do now. I'll take all of December off. I took most of January off. February was slow. It's just like, bro, I understand that I don't need to put risk on these market conditions for me to be successful, because it's gonna be like a 2-month period where the market's going absolutely crazy, and it's up to me to take advantage of it. Staying busy detaches you from the trade. Part of the reason I think paper trading is so easy. Yeah, I agree. Any tip you're profitable using ICT? It's not your concepts, bro. Every concept works. Inversion, fair value gaps, EMAs, Bollinger Bands, everything works. It's about you not staying disciplined. I can imagine there's probably a couple weeks where you do really good, and then one day you just blow up, right? You have to avoid that. And unfortunately, I cannot inject that into your brain, but that's just something you need to focus on day in, day out. Size down and let the data carry you over a year, 2 years.
I don't call your name. I don't make a sound.
The whole college thing, like for me, is like, okay, make sure you're doing well before you do drop out, if you're gonna drop out, or just stay with it. But the thing is, like for me, I was like, okay, this could really work. Let me actually put my all into it and then see what happens. And that's why, because like, what's the worst that could have happened? I'd take a year and a half, it didn't work out, and then I would go back to school. Okay, like I'm only set back a year and a half. That's not a lot, bro. We have time.
I think what you can do is just create a different folder for PDFs where you're going to put all of them in Google Drive. And yeah, just get the link for each PDF and put it in there and manage it.
Still in my quiet. We talking half made sense.
Candles clean. Yeah, I bet.
Like we're scared to be too clear. Every silence says too much when you're standing near. Your eyes avoid the obvious. Mine pretend they don't know. We're reading all the signals, but letting them go. Between the lines, I feel you pulling closer. Between the lines, we're more than we disclose. Say it slow, or don't say anything. I already know. Between the lines.
All right, chat. We're moving out of this 5-minute here. This is good. Let's see. Like I said, I kind of want to go back above like 25 100s. I think that would be very, very solid for more upside. Smooth. This is smooth. My favorite. What hat genre it is? What genre? It's y'all, bro. Yeah, he's all good. It's Deep House Chill Mix. You just look up Deep House Chill Mix. There's a couple of live streams too.
Never tempting fate. If this day's unfinished, I won't call it a lie. Some connections only live if you don't ask why. Between the lines, I feel you pulling closer. Between the lines,
Still super chop chat. Good shit, Lou. All right, chat. If we get 100 likes, we'll do a giveaway today.
We talked in circles late at night, saying more but meaning less. Every pause felt twice as long. Every truth stayed unexpressed. There's nothing left to say, but I still feel the same. We let the silence stay instead of taking blame. There's nothing left to say, no reason left to stay, but I'm still calling out your name.
The 1 minute just looks rough. 5 and 15 minute. Like I said, the hourly will probably create a fair value gap, and that's probably the best best time to take another trade if possible.
We held on without a plan, let the days just drift apart. I gave you what I had. You kept the quiet part. There's nothing left to say, but I still feel the same. We let the silence stay instead of taking blame. There's nothing left to say, no reason left to stay, but I'm still calling out your name. Nothing left to say, still I stay. Nothing left to say, don't wait. Nothing left to say.
I'm kind of new to trading. I'm in college. Do I keep trading part-time or full-time? Definitely part-time. Definitely part-time. No question asked. At what point do you accelerate from trading, brother? How many payouts? I was trading live accounts before props, so I was trading all live capital and options. Took me around 8 months. The biggest thing was just the realization from the psychological standpoint that, look, I just need to make sure I don't overtrade. I don't do all that bullshit that leads to you to be unprofitable, right? That's like the number one thing that everyone struggles with, and it was just a realization of that. It wasn't the strategy, it wasn't anything like that. It was just simply realizing I'm going to be paid off my decisions, and that's it. Just self-control. Like I said, that's one thing you can't really teach too well, but that's literally what it was.
In the glow, every beat reminds me I'm not done, I'm still moving slow. Empty streets, familiar pain. Same old fears, different days. I don't need a perfect sign, just a reason to keep time.
A lot of back and forth in this range here, chat.
Through the way
Pretty brutal, I'm not gonna lie.
when silence screams like
Try to lift as much as I can on a live account, but I have not entered a trade because I'm patient. I mean, I would honestly. I mean, I'm glad you're trading a live account, but you can probably go to props and try to learn from there as well. Especially like trying to learn to get in entering that profitability stage. I don't know if you're profitable or not, right? But props are a good tool for that. Less pressure too.
still no promise, no fear.
It's like watching paint dry.
The room feels bigger now since you're not around. Every sound is fading out, but the silence stays loud.
I really do think the next 2-hour candles are gonna next 2 1-hour candles are gonna tell us where we're gonna go. If we get some IFEGs up here or not.
I hear you most in empty space, in what we lost, in silence stays.
Make you. Yeah, I'm gonna make some.
Don't move on.
I get some coffee after this or something.
I just read
I got a lot of stuff to do today. I gotta hire some movers for tomorrow. But the issue, I'm not an issue, but like I get my keys to my new place tomorrow, but I still have this place today. So it's just like I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how much stuff I should actually move in right now. Probably not gonna move in too much.
we stop before goodbye.
I still have 2 weeks here, so we'll see.
Left too much unsaid. Replay the same night inside my head. When silence stays, I hear you most in empty space, in what we lost. When silence stays, I don't move on. I just remain till you're gone. Silence stays. I stay. Silence stays.
Josh going tomorrow, yeah. Call the homies, bro. The homies are down, bro. I don't want to make them go through that, bro. They already moved. They already did everything, like when I moved here, or they helped me as much as they could.
Silence stays.
I was like, eh. Do I really want to make them go through it again? My shoulder look you hurting. I went to a hoop yesterday for the first time in a while. God damn. Shoulders got cooked. No. Yeah, it's always fun. They're gonna come because like, okay, I'm not gonna make them carry like beds and shit. Like the little stuff, yeah, I'm gonna make them do it. But like the big stuff, bro, fuck that. We're gonna get moved. How big is your new place? It's 3 bed, 2 baths, about 1,500 square feet. What's good, King? What's good, bro? What's good? It's a pretty good spot. It's a nice spot. I like it. I like it. I like it. I'll show you what Yo, chat. So after this stream, about a few minutes here, I'm gonna post a YouTube or Instagram video, and it's gonna be a good one. I finally figured out how to do the comment this and I'll send you a link. We made a PDF and stuff, so it's gonna be good. It's gonna be a solid PDF. Chat, like the stream. I know what fuck go do it right now, bro. I'm a nice guy. I feel like we'll just do the giveaway right now. We'll do 3 minutes, 2 winners, prize 500 SPF points. Good luck. Actually, let's do 1 minute. We're gonna do a speed round right here. We'll do a 1 minute. Whoever is there is there. Whoever is there is there. It's like the highest chance you ever had to win right here. This giveaway was promised to you 3,000 years ago? Was it 3,000 years ago though? I've never won one of my own giveaways, so let's see if I can rig it here and win. That'd be fire. And the winner is dun, 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 Christian Dior. Hey, Christian Dior has won. And Sandy, congrats to both of you guys. DM me your smart prop from email in my DMs and I'll get it to you guys. Guys, if you guys don't know, currently in Discord, we have 70% off or 60% off. I'm pretty sure it's like one spot right now. Make sure to drop if you guys are interested. Let me know. The link's right here. You guys can join. I posted in general chat what pretty much everything that it covers right here. So if you guys want to go ahead and look at that, be my guest. If you guys are signal botting, just keep staying on the YouTube live. You're not. This is more for like the next level. Christian just didn't need that. I lost hope. Oh, congrats. Just DM me your smart power from email. All right, chat, I'm gonna wrap it up. Terrible fucking action since we've been on stream. I woke up late, so the reason why the stream was so late, my Whoop disconnected middle of the night, bro. I had my alarm on for 5:35. My Whoop disconnected at 12:48. It says. I woke up. I'm like, bro, what the fuck? Oh, the damn! I slept really good, and I woke up at 6:50. I was like, damn. Woke up at 6:50, got on, took NDX calls, got absolutely rinsed, and now we're here. So, yeah. All right, peace and love, chat. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Is it our stream? We'll do the stream tomorrow, and we'll start at 9 a.m. Eastern because I have to, because I have my moving date or moving time at 11. So we'll do the live tomorrow, and then we'll call it there. You guys are winning the giveaway. Make sure you send me your smart prop from email. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hey, go to the Instagram in about 5 minutes. I'm about to post a video. A lot of good stuff. I'll see you guys. If you guys in Discord, I'll see you guys in there. And then for the rest of you guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow live, 9 a.m. Eastern. Peace and love. Peace and love.